So here's the real. Most traders lose money because they're emotional. And I'm gonna give you 3 things why. It's because for number 1, they chase moves, they guess entries, and they have no plan. Well, I erased all that. What I started doing, I built the AI system that can think for me because they're 10x smarter than me. So in this video, stay to the end because I'm gonna show you my setup and how I do it. Okay, so OpenClaw, yes, I started using OpenClaw. When I found out that it was like an AI assistant, it could do things, it could control my computer and do everything that I could do on my computer, it blew my mind. So I had to test it. I'm a little techie, so I said I'm gonna dive up in it and I'm gonna learn it. Now, here's the thing. I'm sharing everything that I learned and how you can get this set up and do the same thing for yourself. So make sure you stay to the end because I'm gonna give you the exact framework that I use, and you can use it too, and get started quicker than sitting here figuring out how to do it and experimenting, because that's what I've been doing. I took weeks, because every system don't run always smoothly when you get into it. It sounds great, like, ooh, I could get this to do this. Yeah, but it doesn't work that easy. So I kind of figured it out. I got the bugs out, and I have a system that I'm going to show you. So stay tuned to the end of the video. But let's get into it right now, y'all. I wrote down some things that are very important that I want to share with you if you're interested in. So OpenClaw, I created my AI agent, Boxy. Now, Boxy does a lot of things for me. And I had to tell Boxy I needed a sub agent. I needed somebody that you could watch that knows about trading to take the weight off of your shoulders, Boxy. So Boxy created Sniper, and Sniper is my trading AI assistant. Now, what is Sniper doing? Now, Sniper is watching the market, Sniper is collecting data, and Sniper is executing the trades for me. So now, how do I do this and what do I use? Okay, for 1, I use OpenClaw, and for 2, I had to connect a broker that uses an API key, which is Alpaca, and that's the broker I choose because it can let you paper trade. And when you're testing anything, you don't want to use your real money. Let's get right into it. I'm going to get into some frameworks that I use. I'm going to give you 3 things that you can get started. So for 1, the first thing, you need a broker. Like I said, I choose Alpaca as my broker because they let you take an API key and hook it up to OpenClaw. And that's what you need for your bot to start learning and just communicating and just connecting and doing everything. All right. So they allow paper trading, which is a must because you don't want to trade with your real money. Also, the second thing is a clear strategy. You need to form a clear strategy of trading strategy. Now, if you never traded before, you don't have no strategy, you're probably in the red, because you don't know what you're doing. So the bot, Sniper, has to have a strategy because he doesn't know what he's doing until I give him a strategy. So very simple, give him a strategy. Now, price breaking resistance, with volume, that could be one strategy. If the price is breaking with volume, the stock is going to go up. So he knows that now. That's why you give him a system. You give him a strategy. Okay, simple rules. All right, so the third thing you need to do is automated tools. You got to have an automation tool. That's where I use OpenClaw. OpenClaw is my automation tool. And that's where I started with OpenClaw. And then I built the dashboard. OpenClaw built the dashboard. Well, Boxy built the dashboard. So the dashboard has everything in there. If the bot is on, if it's trading, how many trades that it did, what stocks did it trade, at what time, how much profit I made, so I could see everything that is going on. Now, I can monitor my trades in my Alpaca account and see, profit or loss and see what trades, but you need a whole system. So think of it as like a missing control. You want a missing control where you can see everything easily and fast and understand what's going on without you clicking around and searching everything. So I'm going to have all that in my details to the end, so stay tuned. So now, another thing, you need prompts. Now here's some AI prompts that I'm going to give y'all that y'all can use even with ChatGPT. Or if you want to go into ChatGPT, make sure you look at Chart Assassins because already has programmed chart assassins to be prompted with great trading AI prompts. But here's 3 that I'm going to give you right now. So number one, generate a simple breakout strategy with entry, rules, stop loss, and target levels. So that way, you know, where's it going, where's it trading, where's it stopping, and what it's looking for. That's number 1. Now here's another prompt. List stocks with unusual trading volume today that could signal momentum. So automatically when stocks are listed and he sees these stocks have unusual volume, of course, when that volume comes up, the stock could go up or it could go down. So that's another prompt. Now here's the last one, which is a great one right here. Scan the market for stocks breaking out resistance above the average volume today. So all of it is about volume because we look for stocks that break out, and that's what we want, stocks that are breaking out and have volume, because when we enter a trade, whether we're scalping or going long, especially if we're scalping, we need volume because we want that stock to push up. So if that stock has volume, hey, that's going to make our profit go up, and that's what we want. So those are some AI prompts that I've been using for my sniper bot, y'all. So it's been a journey, been some long nights, sleepless nights, because anytime when you figure out a new system, you got to get the kinks and get the bugs out of there. And certain times when I told Sniper to do something, it did the opposite, and it did that, and I had to figure out, and then I had to reprogram it. So now, the great thing about this, you don't have to be technical, because some of y'all are probably afraid right now, like, I'm not a technical person. How am I going to do that? How am I going to build that? You do not have to do that. You know why? Because you're going to let AI build that. And when you have OpenClaw, you're going to tell OpenClaw, your AI assistant, to build it. And if it has a problem or doesn't understand, or then you say, why? Can you fix this, please? Can you figure out why you got this problem, and can you fix it? And once you're done fixing it, then report back to me, update me, and did you fix it? Simple as that. That's why this is breakthrough technology, and it's amazing. And I'm going to keep digging myself deeper into this, because we are at a time where AI is making some power moves and is at an all-time high of just development, y'all. So going into next year, you want to be smarter. You want to know. You don't want to be left behind. You don't want to be that people down there is like, man, I just figuring out about this while we up here doing that. So AI's taking off. It could be some confusing for some people. Some people don't like it, but I'm here to say it's here now. It's like when we first knew about the internet, some people were scared to get on the internet. I'm not getting on there. They're going to steal my information. I'm not doing that. You're using the internet now. Think of it like back then when planes started. They started to fly. I'm not getting on the plane. Some people are flying. So think of it as something like, do not be scared of it. Think of it like this. Don't be scared of it. The only damage that will occur is the damage that you do and the damage that you give it. But if you're using it for the correct way and using it the right way, then everything is all right. The system's going to work, and it's going to make you smarter and cut your work out, because I don't have time to be jumping up every morning scanning for what stocks are moving, what is the news. I let my agent Boxy do that, and every morning Boxy gives me a morning brief. Hey, this is what the market's doing. This is the stocks that you need to pay attention to, and this is what Sniper is doing today. That is awesome. Now, if you want the exact setup, the exact framework, and how I started, I put a link below. You can take a look at that link. It's a guide, quick start guide that would get you up to par, and then the journey starts. Now, for the next whole year, I'm going to be head deep in AI, what you want to call it, anything, I'm in it. If there's new technology coming out with trading, I'm in it. I'm in it. So if you want to join me, I definitely got a link down there below that would get you right into what I'm going to be doing for this year, y'all. And you could be there right there with me. You can see the trades that I'm doing. You can see the prompts. You could get updates on everything. So I put it all below. That's the goodies. Now, if anything in this video that you learned something new, or you curious, or you just want to learn more, then please hit that like button, because that's going to let me know, hey, I'm doing a great job, and to make some more. And if you want to follow me and know when the next video is coming out, because I got something special for the next video, make sure you subscribe, because you don't want to miss it. Thank you.